Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved these two low buns. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, continue watching. Honestly guys, I had to laugh from the jump because I messed up, but we're gonna get back into this. I'm just reparting her hair, trying to show you guys exactly what I did. So we did decide to go with like a swirl kind of part, if you can notice. Hopefully you guys are gonna be able to see it, but you guys seen it in the front clip. Basically I did like this swirl in the middle. So first thing you want to do is part that out. You can do a straight part as well. We just decided to do a little something different, and then we're gonna put one side away. So anytime I'm doing a ponytail, I like to work in sections, so that's exactly what you see me doing now. I parted out the bottom section first, put it into a ponytail, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got To Be Free spray and spray that all over that section, comb it through, and then use my blow dryer to dry it. And I'm gonna do these steps up until I reach the top. So when I reach to the very top, you want to make sure if you're leaving out any baby hairs or sideburns, anything like that, you comb that section out, and then you go ahead and slick back the rest of the hair. So once everything is done, I'm just removing the band and just tying everything back into a ponytail. I am just going over the hairline to make sure everything is nice and flat and smooth, and it just looks really crisp. So once I put back the ponytail holder in the ponytail, I'm just going over the front. Once I finish combing the front through, I'm just hopping over to the next side and starting the next ponytail. So the exact same thing I did on the opposite side is the same thing I'm doing on this side.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. 'Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good, all good.
So once I finish slicking down her hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and braid down her ponytail, and then I'm gonna use a black rubber band and tie it at the end.
When you go low, I go go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion.
Once that's finished, I'm gonna go in with this curly hair. Her hair was a bit long. I believe this was 22 inches. I would have preferred to use something shorter, but that's what we had. So I am just going to be sewing that on. All I do is make a stitch on one end, twirl it around, and then make another stitch, and I do that all the way until I reach the top. If you would like an in-depth video on how I sew the ponytail, I will link one up above, so you can just click on that and see how I do it.
So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
So once I finish sewing the bundle, I'm going to take a small piece from the back and I'm going to use my got2b free spray and comb it through, make sure it's nice and slick, and then I'm going to wrap it around the band.
Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure.
So of course the same thing we do to one ponytail, we do to the next. So I'm also going to wrap the next one, and then I'm gonna show you guys, hi Paris. That's my daughter, by the way. Then I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved the buns. So what I did was I twirled the hair all together and then I wrapped it from the bottom going up. And you want to wrap it until the end finishes. And once that was done, I used an elastic band, not the small black rubber band, but the medium-sized one, and I used that to kind of hold it up. So next I just played around with it a bit. I was pulling it out some more and then I did also use another band just to make sure like it was holding, just because there was so much hair. And I also wanted to like leave out strands. I don't know if you guys seen that style around, but there was some curly strands that left down, so we also went ahead and did that. And at the end I also added some bobby pins just to keep it in place. So the same thing I did on this side, I'm going to do on the opposite side. Well, I'm going to try my best to make sure the buns match, but sometimes it is hard. So that's what I'm going to do now. Once the buns are finished, I'm just going to do her baby hairs, and I like to curl it with my mini iron. And I'm going in with my ebon edge control, and I'm just doing some little cute swoops in her hair. Once that's finished, I'm going in with my shine spray from Pink, and I'm gonna also spray my olive oil sheen, and that is it. So this is how the hairstyle is looking. We loved it. It was super cute. So I would consider this like messy buns, I guess you would say, with like the little curly ends, but the part cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below how you guys like this style, if you would try it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.